Yep, there's one.
You got one as well. You're kidding.
That's a good one.
Mate, that is really good.
Oh.
Jeez, I might need to get the net for that.
Nice mullet to start off the morning. These are super underrated fish. Just on a little piece of squid. First one for the smorgasbord. Oh yes, let's go.
Egg someone who wouldn't catch a fish here.
Oh yep, just attacked mine.
Oh yeah, same here.
Oh, oh gee, they're
yeah.
feeding now.
I got attacked as well. Oh, mate, nice. Yeah.
There we go, guys. I'll go chuck them in the ski. Yes. Beautiful mullet. Second of the day there, guys. I'm just too excited. It's like a ting. Hey? Nah, I do dispatch. I hope you can see this, guys. There are just thousands of huge mullet everywhere. How one goes onto yours.
Mate, look at them all swim past one.
I just don't like you. That's insane.
Surely one of them just goes, oh, free food. Oh, you got another. You're kidding me.
Look, that's a big one. The fish there, guys, courtesy of Ronan. I think that's the 6th of the day. There's just a monster school here. But they're barely feeding, which is odd. Number 7, guys, that's probably the biggest of the day. That is beautiful. All right, guys, there's number 9. We're not going to keep number 9, we got 4 each. Beautiful little mullet. Can I have the honours?
Yeah, you can have the honours.
We'll chuck this one back and we'll head on to the next species, which is probably going to be squid or snapper. Alrighty, guys, it's a beautiful day, but down here at Portarlington, but there's no snapper. We've been trying for a bit, but nothing. We might move on to some Portarlington squid. We'll have a few more casts, but not even a bycatch fuddy or anything, guys. A bit disappointing. Salmon on here, guys. Get the net, Ronan. Net, 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 net. Oh, you got it. Beautiful. He's on 4 pound.
Five-incher. Added to the smorgas.
Oh, don't say that yet. Get the net in.
I'll do an albie.
Get him, 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 get him. He fell into the net. He got off. And you got him. Oh, I'll get my... Yeah. Looks like... Is that a kingy? It looks like a kingy. It's not a kingy. I wish it was a kingy. Oh, I think they're back. Yep, got off. Oi, Ronan, get your lure in. Oh, Ronan! Ronan! Get your lure in! Oh. I just dropped two. Guys, another good salmon. Oh, that's a nice jumper. Oh, this one's engulfed. Quick, 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 quick. You got the chuck your thing in. Chuck your thing in. No, I'll get it. You chuck your lure in. No, got off. Bugger. Oh, I should have netted him. And he took my whole lure.
Wait, I'll pass you the net. Did you take your lure?
Yeah, he engulfed it. Fuck. Shouldn't have done that on 4 pounds.
Okay, I'll just chuck that down there.
Alright guys. Going to get a little measure on that Sambo. I'm gonna guess 48. Gee, look at that colour of the blood. Super vibrant red, wow. Get the measure out. I'm gonna say 47. Tis a nice fish. 46. Pretty much bang on perfect. It's a great fish. Get some lovely fillets off it. Hopefully we can get some more.
Rightio guys, so the day has taken a bit of a turn here. We've made a decision to come to the beautiful Queenscliff Pier. As you can see, it's a lovely day, lack of wind. Gonna hope to get into a few cephalopods, being the southern calamari, and we'll let you know how we go. Hopefully we get onto some. It is winter, so it could be slow, but we'll give it our best shot. See you out there. We may as well use today's.
That's right. Beautiful conditions here at Queenscliff, guys. You got the fort in the background. I'm not sure what that pier is for, but we're gonna go over check on it, shall we?
Let's go check the other spot.
Oh yeah, okay. Alright guys, me and Ronan, we're on the ferry from Queenscliff to Sorrento. What are we going to do at Sorrento, Ronan?
At Sorrento, we're going to be catching a few southern calamari. I'll say it before and I'll say it again. You have to fish to get the fish. You're not going to catch any dogs sitting at home on the couch. Simple as that, guys. Get out there, get into some right now.
Yep. Alright guys, down here at Sorrento now. We've been to so many places today. Ronan's going to start squid jigging for some squid. I'm going to drain a little bait, see if I can get some leatheries or some sweep or little red mullet or something. Hopefully we get onto some. We'll keep you guys posted. Beautiful little setup, got the Zanak and the Stella. 2500 HG, just a beaut. Ronan is on.
Oh, would you look at that?
A beautiful southern colour.
I'm just going to deadlift him if he comes off.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I have a feeling he's going to fall off, but nah.
Whee. Well done,
Narrow
mate.
this guy.
Yes. That's my fish, mate. It's on my rod. Oh, there we go. Well, I better get out there, hey? Oh, this is on. That's gone. Are you serious? Oh, let me get in. Whereabouts are you?
Right out there.
Running it's on again.
Yeah, for a second time.
Ah, on fire, mate.
Got the GoPro on him, have you?
Yeah, I got the GoPro on him.
You need proof of this.
Exactly. Without proof it didn't happen.
Some sort of guru, mate. That's so good. 2 in a minute. 2 in 2 casts. Yep, there's one. That's a good one.
Mate, that is really good.
Oh.
Jeez, I might need to get the net for that.
Oh, this is a good one. Mate, they're on.
Wow. Mate, I did 10 casts here. Like,
Yeah, I know.
yeah, I'll take the net for that. I'll get the net now.
How are we going to do it though?
Now bring them around to the other side. Just walk it around.
Yeah, alright. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh, great.
Down here, Ronan.
Yeah, down there.
How are you, guys?
That is a nice one.
Is that quick too well?
Nah.
Just keep walking.
Geez, 3 in a minute. Not bad. Around the corner. Can you reach?
Yeah, reach here.
Get behind him. Yes.
Look at that.
That's a cracker. Oh, get the jigs back in.
Yeah, 100%. Mate,
That's a beast. Nah, it stayed on actually.
That's not recording sound.
Recording sound. You'll be in the latest episode. That's a great squid.
Fish. He just wants to watch you cast.
Ronan's just up here. And he's got another colour. That's the 4th. Just lift him. Get in, come on.
Oh.
I'll bring him to our pile.
Yeah. Oh, you may as well get the esky while you're here.
Alright.
I reckon.
Good as. That's number 4 of the day, guys. Number 5 on. Here we go. Another. Is that a squid or an octopus? That's the 5th of the day in about 20 minutes, guys. The squid are absolutely on fire. I've actually forgot to record, guys. We've actually caught 8 now. I'll go and show you. We've got 8 calamari. The sun has just set. It's about 5:30. I've got them in descending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the big dog you guys saw. What a squad. What a smorgasbord of squid.
I guess 34, you guessed what, 33?
I got 33. So where's his hood mark there? Pretty, yeah, bet 33, hey?
33?
Yeah.
I was right. Like, I don't never misses.
Okay, good, that squid is, guys.
Oh.
Let's get the rest in. I chopped one of its heads off, accidentally.
Yeah, that happens sometimes.
Oh, look at these.
That's what you call smorgasbord.
That's what I call a headless calamari.
Fuck. Actually grabbed the knife. It's not good.
There's one head, a calamari head in there.
Yes.
Beautiful. Look at that, guys. If you don't call that a smorgasbord from Port Phillip Bay, I don't know what you do.
Oh, perfect.
That is so good. Mullet, salmon, calamari.
Wet hands.
That is brilliant.
All land-based as well.
Exactly.
Oh, that is glorious. That's beautiful.
Thanks for watching, guys. Me and Ronan, we're tuning out. We'll see you next time on RJ Fishing.